Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to play Kalyanam Aidicha Flute BGM music from movie Teddy. I don't know, did I pronounce that word correctly? Kalyanam Aidicha? I don't know. Actually, I got a request, and so I decided to do a tutorial video how to play this beautiful music. And I did search for that music, and it's a really beautiful music part from movie Teddy. So let me show you and teach you how to play that flute part on no flute. I'm using my double G flute, okay? I will play that part before I'm going to the tutorial, okay? Listen. It's really beautiful, right? So let's move to the tutorial part. So let's learn how to play that music on our flute. It goes like pada 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 sada pada pa. Okay, pada 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 sada pada pa. And then mama papa da pa mare, okay, mama papa da pa mare, and then mama pa da pa mare. That line once again. Okay, and then ma pada 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 sari sada pada pa, ma pada 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 sari sada pada pa, and then mama papa da pa mare, and then mama pa sada pa mare. Okay, we don't sound re, but when we come down we stopped at re. Okay, like this. Like that. Once again I will play that whole part. Okay, slowly. Like that. So that's it, guys. Notation is kind easy. It has very simple notes, and but when you play that part you need to use and add advanced techniques. You need to control your blowing, and also when you play you can add some alankaras like I did. You can watch carefully how I played that music part, and actually it was a beautiful music part. You can even try. And so let's meet in another tutorial video. And also, if you're new to my channel, if you're watching my videos for first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can catch more tutorial videos like this. So if you have any problems, any questions, anything, if you have any problems with your flute, you can ask me, and comment section is always open. You can also join my WhatsApp and Telegram groups, links in the description, you can check it. And so let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.